about, and in Africa, every family represents a certain animal or it could be mountain or river or so like me, I'm actually a zebra. So in being a zebra, you can anyone who is zebra, we are actually related. In other words, you can get married to each other. My mom is zebra. My grandmom, she's actually called a hat. So she won't get married. I mean, she won't get married to any hat.
Chileans in the precinct, piping in the space between the clock tower chimes in a cathedral interface. Arabic on the left, drunken roars right side, assault of the hearing deaf. A newspaper rustles, having its say. Pound shop bags dance a lunchtime ballet. On the steps, in the sun, footfalls and echoed runs, corralled between the silently watching shops. And there's a constant murmur of a vast voice sea, surging, swelling across the concreted trees. Mostly though, it's the bird song filling the airwaves, landing on the staves of a natural manuscript that outstrips everything that falls from human lips and human hands and lands upon our ears and fills our outdoor day.
كم مرة خنت يا ما صانوني لكن أنا ولا مرة صنت تعرفت عليكي وينك مثل أي وحدة بحكي معاكي فترة بعلقك وبهديكي وردة بعدين بقول يا ريت بعض ما تعلقنا خلينا نترك لأنه لحنا ما تعرفنا بعد مدة ايه حاولت اني انسى حاولت كتير لكن ضعفت قدام عيونك في شي خلاني امحي في شي خلاني دوب خلاني آمن بالحب علينا آمن مكتوب الله عليكي دوبتيني بلمسة من ايديكي الله عليكي عم شوف الدنيا في عينيكي حبك ادمان صار عندي وانخلط بدمي اسعد انسان بدي اشوفك والله هذا همي اسمك انحفر بقلبي صوتك دخل لجوا
موسيقى جوراج.
Being from Africa, any song with the slightest hint of African drumming beat makes me long for Africa. I once worked on a project in Ghana where we would all meet on a beach in the early evening and listen, all hands on learn drumming. Those drumming sounds that carry through the night will stay with me forever. recall a recent visit to Somerset West in South Africa, where I lived for almost 20 years. It wasn't the sound of the wind or the ocean, but the sound of guinea fowls waking me up early in the mornings that made me realize that I was home. That familiar sound of these chatty birds made me feel as if I've never left.
I'm not sure if they are uniquely Wakefield sounds, but some sounds I notice in the UK, different to Japan: church bells, ice cream van chime, bird song, the announcements at train stations. During my days off in Japan, I used to go into the nearest town by train. The sound of the train running on the rails is quite different to the sound that UK trains make. The sound makes me feel sleepy. The sound of the bamboo flute is quite nostalgic for me. It is very high-pitched and it's often played at summer festivals in Japan. Hearing it played reminds me of the sights and sounds of the summer festival.
Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Wild heart. Nino cara, sango, inintini mambo, e pandiri, papo, suagana mojado. We're living in the jungle, where I am champion of where I'm from. Struggles will overcome them. On any land, people cheer and clap.
Là d'où je viens, c'est le parfum du genêt et de la terre mouillée. C'est le goût d'une soupe au pistou et d'une baguette à l'ancienne. C'est le chant des cigales et le bon accent provençal. C'est le bleu profond d'un ciel comme nul autre. C'est l'horizon vêtu de collines boisées et de montagnes enneigées qui me rappellent où je suis née.
So you come in black clothes and dance for me with your hips.
Take a look at the sounds in our heads and our hearts, and hear us all, hear our voice, the people of Wakefield who have landed here, landed for a moment or for all of their years. And we'll follow the Calder out to the sea and ebb and flow in a new manifesto of coming and going, some of us staying, laughing and dancing, crying and singing, talking and listening, and sharing the sounds of our lives.